There's mess everywhere. I'm off to go cut my I got fired. He's so camera shy. We do like a before. So I'm off to go cut my hair. So nervous. It's so cold as well. So I should be there in like give or take like 5 minutes. So yeah, let's go cut my hair and start my new journey.
So take a chill and talk to me, baby. Take a bit and fuck with me, baby. The Annie at the right side, the Molly at the front, child. Baby, won't you come back for more? Take a chill and talk to me, baby. Take a bit and fuck with me, baby. The Annie at the right side, the Molly at the front.
Good morning, guys. So another day, another vlog. This is like day 1 of post haircuts. Oh, I don't know how I want to put it. I think the after cuts. So I am actually making breakfast now. I am on my 5th farm journey, as most of you know. Like, I had like a little bit of a lapse where I stopped working out and all that. I don't know, I just kind of like lost motivation, but I'm back on my grind again. Yeah, so I am making moi moi, and that is what it is there. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I don't really have a recipe. I'm still kind of like practicing and making it better, but that's my moi moi. I'm going to just put that in the oven now. Good morning. So today's gonna be like another like vlog style video. It's currently, my voice kind of sounds raspy this morning, but it is currently 10. It's 10:42. I need to get ready. My brother is taking me to IKEA this morning. I'm gonna renovate my room. Like, I'm so excited. And head off to IKEA. So I guess I'll see you guys when I'm in the car or when I'm in IKEA. Bye. So I'm in IKEA and I want to get this table. TJ, what do you think about it? Should I get this one or the black one? Oh my god. Oh, sorry, he's so camera shy. So I think I'm gonna actually get that in the black one. The black one is better. It was this one or that one over there was my first option. But like I feel like space wise it's gonna be like too big. So I just finished eating with my brother. Say hi to the cam. Funny biceps. So yeah, flex for that. So okay.
That was actually good enough.
Alright, finishing eating my brother now. We want to, because like he was being such a fucking bitch, moaning like now that he's eaten, I think he has energy. So we want to continue like my shopping. Like I got some really cool stuff. I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm gonna do. So we want to go continue our IKEA shopping. And so all we have left to do now is to get the planters, and we are done. And I can go home and start painting. Goals! Brother goals. See, you're doing your gym workout. You're saying let's go to the gym. It's goals. Goals. I really want that so badly though. Goals. I need to ask where their clearance is, man. So you need to ask where their clearance is. You want to go to like the checkout. guys, so when I came up from IKEA, I took a nap because IKEA is so draining. Right now I'm just trying to like clear up so I can paint my room. I could have like so much shit. I think I should really do like a before and after so you guys can actually see like what I'm working with. I have a very tiny space. Like my room is so tiny. So this is basically what I have to do. I bought this shelf thing from IKEA. The rest of what I bought are outside. But this is basically what I'm working with. Like it's already white already, but I'm going to just repaint it, make it cleaner. Yeah, so let's get ready into this renovation style video.
Bros, I beg. I know if you follow you go mainland now. If not be Lekki, I know they come out for here. Now they shishi me now Lekki, I beg. Reason now.
Shout out to
Hey
the
guys,
girls alive.
so where I left you was I was painting my room. So everywhere's painted now. Really nice white color. All painted. Perfect.
Party aristocrats. I see unique girls. They are making the aristo cash. Shout out to the girls that like to party aristocrats. I see unique girls. They are making the aristo cash. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Yo, don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Yo, don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Yo, don't mind them. Don't mind them.
I had a bit of a hiccup. So I think my plans didn't go according to plan with the way I wanted my layout. Still, I'm working with it. I want to be able to take pictures without compromising on the lighting. I found a really good angle to take my pictures, but that basically means that I would have to adjust a little bit to make it work. So my room is all over the place, but I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like so far. I am most excited about this little section here. So this would be my picture spot here. So if I wanted to take my pictures, I need to come closer to take my pictures and whatnot. So my bed is going to go here. I'm going to put my desk there. I think that's pretty much it. So everywhere is really messy now. It's so messy right now, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm gonna make this shit work. The path was too long, so I went in and I went to go cut the palette. So far it's not so bad. There's mess everywhere, but I am trying to make this work. So yes guys, I will see you guys in the next clip.
Everybody love you when you're poppin'. Everybody want you when you're poppin'. Enter club, everybody poppin'. Then go ask you, say what's poppin'. Kilo shelle, where you know me from? Kilo shelle, gone, gone. Kilo shelle, where you know me from? Kilo shelle, gone, gone. Everybody love you when you're poppin'. Everybody want you when you're poppin'.
Guys, it's been a minute. I won't lie, I've kind of put this room off for a little bit because I'm not fully done. It's coming together. Today is Valentine's Day. I got flowers and he sent me some gorgeous flowers for Valentine's Day. I need to put this in a vase. I'm gonna round up today's video, today's vlog. I'll do a room tour video. I still have some things to actually put in the room. It's not fully done to the way I would like it to be done, but so far I'm happy with the way that looks. But till then, thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.